Hello, I've got another lock from Michael, Potty 314, coming up today. It's Abbas Half Euro, blanked off key, as usual, so not many clues there. We're going in with a shallow hook, tension from the wrong end of the keyway as far as my picking usually goes. And instantly we're getting little bits of movement here and there. It's one of those locks that when you get one pin set, another two jump out. Or it is the way I pick it anyway. And as usual, I'm struggling to pick round the camera. I don't know how people make it look so easy, but right, a little bit more of a false set there. So I feel like we're slowly getting somewhere. Big false set. Great big false set there. Huge. I mean, look at that angle there. That's ridiculous. What have you done inside here, Michael? Right, I think we're down to one pin. This is where it all works, or it all resets. Got you. Brilliant. The amount of times I've got to that position and everything's just clicked up. Start again. But there you go. It's just one he's made very recently, 2nd of August 2016, so I'm not going to gut it. I'll leave that for the next person. But there you go. Thanks for the lot, Michael. Thank you for watching. Bye.